one final thing. This is the final episode. Once the transaction's done, we're not done, okay? We're here for you every step of the way. We're here for you to make sure your transaction goes as smoothly as possible. But once that's done, we're also here for you to make sure your new life goes just as smoothly, just as enjoyable. So remember, if there's any problems in your new life, call us. We have numbers to all the great tradesmen like electricians, plumbers, contractors, people like that, people we know that you can trust that won't take advantage of you. We know how to get in touch with the township for codes and stuff like that, or if there's any problems, or all the council contact details. So just know this, we are here for you. We are here for your friends. We are here for your family. We have a saying in my company, we're not just a realtor, we're your realtor for life. Okay, we are always here for you. Do not hesitate to contact us. All right, everyone. If you have any questions for me, keep the questions coming. I love it. All right, I'll talk to you all soon. Bye-bye. Look out for my new video.